besides them as a training team, the ones that you're always seeing, I have another team of members that are working back there. I believe several of you have seen us on social media. It's all because there's somebody out there doing great work, letting you know of what is happening in the Institute. So, with this, allow me welcome, yes, Haji. Jafar, please. And I also welcome the one holding the camera himself, because he's a team member, Hamisi. He's doing another great job. So with them all here, why I call them? Because I always want to identify myself with the people that are doing success. All that you're seeing literally today, all that you're seeing out there as Jex Barista is because they're doing a great job in the society. Yes, they came one day in the UAE, as anybody else has come, started from wherever they may have started from, but they also chose to put themselves to greater levels. So today, they're able to put up such an institute, a company that is not managing immortal stuff or material, but is managing humans. A company that is looking up to growing lives. A company that is looking up to opening doors for everybody, regardless your nationality, your color, your sex, your education level. They are the team here. So whoever you see as a Jex Barista in the community, serving in whichever company, in whichever cafe, whichever hotel, it's all because this team is here to do great work. So I would love to appreciate you all in general, because you're doing a great job. Please give it up. And before I say anything else, I actually have just a token of appreciation still to them, because what yes can be said today, but they may be forgotten. So I made sure to do something that they'll always remember. So allow me have my gift. All right. I read their names, and the whole house, please help me appreciate these individuals. So this goes to Mr. Alex Chisaje Sentongo, a specialty barista skills trainer. And the very first brand one in the institute. All right. All right. And then here I have Miss Menuka, Lami, Chane. Thank you for the great work. Thank you for accepting to come and join Jex Barista Training Institute. She's actually with us. Now it's going to be 2 months. And she's already doing a great job. I want to appreciate you. Thank you for fitting in.
Thank you for making me fit in.
We are very grateful. Okay. Yeah. Here I have Mr. Kwanga Jafar. He's the web developer and marketing strategist. So all that you're seeing glittering at Jex is all because there is somebody behind, the brains behind it. So we'll have the well-known Mr. Solomon Musoke, our head barista trainer. Please, whoever is singing somewhere, please come with him. Yeah, this is to you. Please. Thank you so much for accepting to work with us. All right. And then last but not the least, I'll have Mr. Hamis Nkwanga.
Mr. Hamisi.
You see him here, he's a Jex Barista, and he's made us proud. Because when he came to enroll and do class with us, in our long discussion, I got to know that he does social media, he has his YouTube channel and all this stuff. Then, like kind of jokingly, I told him, I've given you the job. You can handle the social media for me. Without discussing salary, guys, can we listen? We did not discuss salary at all. He took on the job. He took on the job without saying anything about money, you can imagine. So he's the kind of guy that I appreciate and I adore. All of us, when we come here in the UAE, the first thing we want to see is money. Of course, we came for money. We cannot joke about that matter. But before you mention money or show money to your employer, show them what you can deliver. The moment you show them what you can deliver, they'll always be happy and they'll all have their ears wide open to listen to what you say next. So he is one of the guys I appreciate for that fact because he took on the job and there's so much fun. Thank you so much. So with that, allow me tell you that of course we've had several visitors that were supposed to come. Our partner, the local, you always know, but because of a few issues out there, he wasn't able to make it. He's in Nigeria, health issues. And our guest of honor is also a bit late. So for that cause, anyway, the most important guests, our graduates are here. So we could keep on going. That's why we just had to continue with this. Yeah. With this, please, I have so much to say, but I'm going to ask you to allow me to keep several of the words, because I think I've always said them over and over again, encouraging everybody, every nationality here in the UAE, or abroad in the US and wherever, to improve you. It doesn't carry sense. You live in your family, several of you have left your businesses. You've learned so much that is so precious to you in your home country, and you've chosen to go to an unknown country. And when you reach there, you fold your hands and you wait on the government to help you. The government in that place. We've seen several of them now starting to do dubious kind of behaviors. They've started calling themselves what they were not. all in the sense of wanting to find sympathy and perhaps wanting to get money, free money. We are people that are known to be individuals that can work, right? So I'm encouraging us that when you come to the UAE or in the diaspora at large, like you come, look around for any opportunity. And when there is space, fit yourself there. You'll always be blessed. Where I am today isn't where I started from. I started from somewhere. Every one of us has a story. So I'm only encouraging my sister, my brothers, that you could be in a sorry state today, but it isn't where you should end. It's all going to start from you making that decision. It's not going to come by way of miracle or rain falling on you. No. You need to make that decision. That yes, today I'm at level 1, but I'm seeing myself at level 10, come what may, by year 5. Okay, yes, you may not make it to level 10, but you have moved to level 7 or 6. That is a very great achievement for you. Now, it's what I'm encouraging all of us to do. Jex Baristas are already earning quite good money. It's not the best there is, but it's far much better than what they were earning before. So I'm encouraging every one of you that is out there doing a job that you're not happy with. Please locate yourself. Do a skillful course, short, attain the skills, and then apply for a job. You will always get that job, and you always get the salary that you deserve. It's my encouragement to us all. To the other community, and that is the community that hasn't yet been, well propagated, Asian community. I'm asking you to please work on yourselves as well. Now that we are here as Jex Barista Training Institute, and the doors are wide open for you, we are asking you to come and take on the opportunity. Take the job, the cost, it's very short, the fee is very friendly, you can afford it. Even when you can't be able to pay in a short, like in a one-time payment, you can pay in installments. So come and do the course. We make sure that we make the environment very friendly and convenient for you, because you love to hear or to see somebody speak your language. Probably you feel even better home. So for that reason, we're asking you to come and train. After you getting the skills, the rest will be a story. You can go wherever and have good life. Let's all aim at moving out of those unskillful jobs, because that isn't where we're supposed to be. Yes, you may start from there, but make sure you don't end there. Make sure you don't end there. We can all climb to greater levels. Greater levels, I mean salary, and I mean working conditions. We all deserve better life. But that life can only be gotten when you choose to climb to it. No one will collect you from down to that level. Alright, I'm big sister and I'm always talking. Please allow me to stop there. And I want to appreciate every one of you that has come to attend this ceremony. Thank you so much for having honored our invitation. Thank you so much for bringing in your visitors, your friends. Thank you for everybody that has done all that you've done. All right, I'll end here, please.